Sorry, let me get set up here, and then out of function. Okay, there we go. Now I'm where I was. Okay, here we go. How goes it, party people? I think I want an actual use case for the data. I don't even know what you're talking about, Brev. All I saw was I bought a gift card for bought a gift card for $50 and it has $2,200 on it. That's all I got out of what you. That was all I saw. All right, mate. Let's see. My mock is busted. Yeah. So this is still called mock stripe, and I don't like it. Okay. Blah 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 blah. See you when you get back. No. This is not what's happening here. No. Maybe illegal to pull everything they have. Who is they? I don't know who you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. Streaming analytics platform. Who? For what? I don't know what we're talking about. But also, yeah, probably. If I had to guess, you know? If I were a betting man. This was called mock stripe. I know gRPC. What's tRPC? Yeah, it's kind of a confusing name if you're coming from other... Well, coming from gRPC, probably. tRPC, if you go to trpc.io, they kind of give you the scoop, the quick hit. I know gRPC does other stuff, but long story short, tRPC enforces the contract between your client and server in TypeScript in a full stack TypeScript. That's it. Yeah. There's actually, I woke up this morning and I saw this. Where'd it go? RPC. Yeah. That's true too. I always forget what it stands for. Isn't it? I gotta know. I just know most of the time people think remote procedure call. Yeah. The G in gRPC just stands for gRPC. I think you're... Wait, what? Remote procedure calls for TypeScript. There you go. What was I talking about? What was I doing? I was doing... I gotta find out what gRPC is because people keep asking that question. And I only gave it like a quick look. High performance open source universal RPC framework for Go, C++, Java, Python, C#, and more. Bunch of stuff. Cool. Okay. So it's to get stuff talking to each other, which is tRPC. Okay. So it's the tRPC is TypeScript gRPC version. gRPC is a messaging system. Okay. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Is it like a service, like a service layer, or is it a way of writing things? I don't know how to say that. What's up, Jigga? Can I ask you something? You just did. gRPC is a mention. How's Vercel so far? It's great, man. I had my first week and I did like mostly onboarding. On that Friday, I started like looking at the projects that I was supposed to be doing, and then My manager's been out for 2 weeks, so I've kind of been not flying blind. There's been people around to help me. And so, the past couple of days were kind of slow for me just because I didn't have too much of a direction. But she comes back on Monday, so hopefully I can get some. Passive measure defined in a file called proto between machines or programs over DSP. Okay, got it. Okay, that's what I need to know. So it's different in that with tRPC there's no code gen. That sounds like proto. There's no code. Yeah, so there's no code gen in tRPC. The TypeScript types are going to just do their magic. Just do their magic. Yeah. Oh, never mind. It's like right at the top of my head. Don't know why, but some of the devs here are kind of mean. One girl lost her job, and I was trying to cheer her up, and she was like, "Okay," just kind of. Well, she was probably not happy. So yeah, I mean, people tend to be more rude when they're not happy. And I don't know. Most people aren't just, you know, super nice like we are. No, I'm kidding. They come in here sometimes and it's kind of awkward. Like I said, man, it happens. Can't take it to heart. Everybody's different. Not everybody's gonna be a pleasant peach all of the time. Alright, so here's what I'm dealing with. I was setting up my mocks, or I guess I should say resetting up my mock. So I have payments here. Payments. This is what gets at const payments. That should be fine. Payments, type of payments. That's pretty straightforward. I can't imagine that this method's like doesn't have. Oh, okay, it doesn't. Never mind.
Kit stank, kit stank, kit stank, kit stank.
Thanks, text to speech. Is kind of a bully. I don't know what that means, but I like it. What's up, Tire Beaver? What's Kidder? Kidder is a product that I make, or the side project that I had that completely blew up out from underneath me. I haven't looked at the analytics for a while. I don't know how many people are using it these days. I'd have to imagine it's chilling right around like 75 a month-ish. Yeah, probably. The Warzone has been not doing... Oh, okay. Better than I thought. Warzone's been not getting the love, but they're going to put out Warzone 2. Retrieve. Well, I guess what are we mad about here? Oh. So dumb. I don't know what the deal is with this, and I just, TypeScript being TypeScript, am I right? Create. File Cuban. Good old fashioned Cuban. Gotta love some words up in this piece, am I right? Gotta get these words in though. Retrieve, trial, entry, price. Rams. TDE was fun until it wasn't. I did it for literally one test. just to see if I could figure out how to do it. Retrieve trial entry price is not a function. Okay, so did I clean this up first off? Is this happy with me? That's seemingly happy with me. Is this happy with me? Seems to be. Seems to be. Okay, great. So that solves that. And then here. So, my mock isn't getting the method. So let's jump over to here. Let's look at, it's saying retrieve trial coupon is not there. That's interesting because it made it through here for retrieve trial entry price. I would love to know, is this not here? It is. I have retrieve trial coupon right there. Did I name this wrong? Retrieve trial coupon. That's interesting. Okay, so let's look at console loogie, payments, mock, retrieve trial coupon. So I should get a log for that at the very least. Hopefully, question mark. A bunch of undefines at first. Is that? I think I'm expecting that though. And then I do get this guy, and that's happening for formatting coupons. But yeah, so prices isn't good. None of those care about this, but here I have this guy. Why is this one failing? Also, retrieve. So they're complaining about the same thing. So it's interesting then that. Yeah. Thanks for follow, Cyberhack. What's up? What's up? I didn't want to say anything, but I'll ask a simple question, and they'll say, "What do you think?" I mean, that's unfortunately senior devs being senior devs sometimes. You know, like. Sometimes, so there's two different senior devs being senior devs. There's senior devs that are like just have poor social skills at this point. Oh, Huo indeed. Thanks, Jiggy. Good day to you, sir. Thanks for your sub. Much appreciated, my G. Udabomb.com. But yeah, there's the senior devs that are like salty and just like not nice people anymore, and you know they don't see the joy in programming anymore, and they're just doing it for a paycheck because you know they're miserable with their lives and they don't know how to do anything else at this point in their lives. And so somebody asks them a question and like actually wants them to like ask them to like think about something, and they're like, I don't want ya. And it's unfortunate, but it's true. And then there's also like sorry, Beeler squirrel. And then there's also like sometimes they genuinely are trying to help you. They're telling you to you know, think about it, right? Like if you show up and you say, hey, how do you do this? Sometimes people just assume that you didn't even try, and they'll be like, well, you know, like, go, why don't you like try to figure it out first? And so like, what do you they're like actually asking you, well, like, what do you think? And you're like, well, no, I wanted the answer, but like that's not as good for you, because then that person's gonna have to answer you every single time you have a question. Like, they just don't want you to get in the habit of like just going to ask them when you run into something that you don't know what it is. So they are trying to encourage you to go figure it out for yourself for a second. But if you show up and you say, hey, I have a question, so this is what I've tried, 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 and I don't know how to fix this, then you've got a better shot at those homies you know wanting to respond. I think an annoying thing too is sometimes like your experienced devs, like for whatever reason, don't want to think about stuff that's too easy for them. Like, don't ask me a question that's too easy for me. I'm awesome. And so they can get weird. But yeah, I mean, people are weird. Programmers are weird in particular. Definitely. About to block up some flowing water. Is that what the kids are calling it these days, Tired Beaver? Am I right? What's up, Consular? How you doing? How you doing? Good morning. If it is your morning, why do I keep doing that? It's my morning. It's not everybody else's morning. What's up, Spedix? All right, so what's up, Mars? So what do I have here? I'm getting my log. Formats coupons is gonna run through a couple. Why is it doing it more than once? Why am I getting more than one undefined here? Excuse me. This is gonna do 2 coupons. Good old-fashioned coupons. You have depression, no you. That's not funny. So retrieve trial coupon. I don't have depression, but this is making me quite sad. I re-implemented what I had, and now, I mean, it's better this way for sure, but I don't know what the deal is here. Retrieve trial entry price is not a function. When is that happening? That is happening at 66.57. And at 66.57, retrieve trial entry price. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay, yeah, because I redid this. I re-implemented
The
this, like I
Forgotten
said.
One has returned. Hope you've been well.
Oh! Gosh! Oh, gosh! Kashan! Summer! Have you returned for good? Is this like... Is this only gonna happen once? No, I'm just kidding. Where have you been? Kiss me on the mouth. I've needed you. Help me, Anakin. You're my only hope. This is so annoying, family. I don't know why it keeps doing this. This file keeps doing this. Hi. Like the TypeScript just be acting not cool. Apparently Sean doesn't just code, he makes crazy amounts of money. Oh, really? Okay, so this looks like it's happy now. Okay, let's rerun then. Yes! That took me all morning. 2 hours. I thought it was going to take me 2 seconds, but okay. There we go. Re-implement. Payments. Client. All right. Clean the slate. Who does tests anymore? Am I right? I'm gonna try to TDD myself here. TDD myself. Phrasing. I'm gonna try to TDD this. And see how it goes. I mean, I like having these tests in here because I have no idea what I'm doing. And they're gonna help me in particular. Proceeds to have major code fail. Yeah, see, like that was something that I did instantly. I made a mistake with my implementation of this guy. And so yeah, I get what you're saying. Don't get me wrong. But time and place, right? Like, I'm not gonna write a test for everything, but yeah. Okay, so let's do how have I been? I've been good, man. Let's see. What has happened since Kashan has been gone? He's been gone for like literally 6 months. Let's see. Had some transitions in life. Haven't been twitching. Mad ups, bro. Let's see. On the Anthony side of town, we've had Kidder got switched to Postgres and Prisma and TRPC. What else? Kidder now I work for Vercel. Kidder's coasting, and we're doing Doggo now. Yay! That makes it sound like not a lot has changed, but whatever, I guess. Okay, there's a bunch of console logs in here that I forgot about. I forgot. It's a lot. So there we go. That'll clean that up, right? That's amazing. No, you. So you're still living in your parents' basement. Yep. I just can't seem to find my way out. Where's the door? Congrats. Thanks, dude. Can you share your stories now? I really want to know. I really want to know. Or if you'd like, if you're cozy doing that, if you have something charable, as the kids say. They don't say that, Anthony. Don't. All right, so I finally have my getter. Let me drag this over here. Hey, remember me? I was the person that codes in Chrome console, and I make chatbots for multiplayerpiano.com. It's by Google, if you remember. Nope. Let's see. They may live with my parents, maybe don't complete my pocket. Let's see. So here we go. Create APIs. Okay, I need to bring back the lister that Fog made that I accidentally totally deleted because I thought it was my old code. Thanks for follow, Jacob. Appreciate that out of you. Okay, so I need to grab this, and then I need to grab... You're following too? I know! I said that, did I not? Wait a minute. Did it get buried? No, I saw it. Well, thank you, Consular. It doesn't have one for you. Okay, don't blame me. Blame Twitch, because I don't have one for you. But thanks. I cherish you. Freaking cherish you, man. Switched jobs, temporarily moved to Cali, just came back to... Nah, okay. Is your new job remote? What was I doing? I need Fog's endpoint, so... I probably... Oh gosh, this is why you do better commit messages, folks. Yeah. This is why you don't do things like I do. Yeah. Okay, here it is. It's in this commit. Just start from scratch. Are you kidding me? Is this guy for cereals? You have cat to be kidding me, lol. I've got const trials right there. Boom. Whoops. The buttons are different. P. Cool. So he's got limit and start. He said, names be damned. That's, oh, whoops. Double, there we go. Okay, that plays. List, that plays. We got rid of the favoriting. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna leave it for now. Because that's gonna be a very quick and easy win. Context. What did I do over here? It's a context. User ID or false. Yeah. So boom, boom, boom. Const user ID is equal to get user ID from the context and spell it right. And if there is one, we're gonna go. Wait, what? What did I write the first time? Yeah. I have to do this, 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 this. Oh. And then I go ID is user ID, else false. Did I get it? Where's that? There's there. That's green. I'll get rid of that. Favorited by user. Incompatible. Promise. I didn't await it. Boom. PB. Do a poll for me, please. Poll me, daddy. Boom, boom. Finish doing this here, just so I don't forget. So it's on the same commit because it makes sense. There we go. Get oh, this is behind me. Sorry. There you go. That's still behind me. Did I hit the wrong button? What? Where'd it split? I literally can't see the split. What happened? I'm confusion. What did I miss? What did I miss? Jamal went to college for school, and that didn't pan out. Oh, gotcha. C or assembly. Scratch law. What school? Oh, you went to Berkeley? I thought Berkeley was cool. You know, everybody's got different reasons for all kinds of different stuff. I shouldn't even assume. Bring back fogs. List endpoint. Because I'm dumb. What was I doing? What did he do? I'm so interested. CD packages. Oh, he did. Looks like a bunch of front end bits. Yeah. CD packages, terpc, yarn test. All right, we're back. We go here, we go there, we go there, and okay. So implementation done. Love that. There does not. Ooh, I had something yell at me there. What was it? Doom, doom, doom. Services. That's chill. Okay. So here's VTest for you, and now I have like 5 of them. Wow. Oh, this is what. How many Chrome browsers am I gonna open? Sir, your RAM. Theme Tokyo Night. That's right, Reman. Saturday singing stream. No, I have to focus on stuff. Bruv, please ask the engineering department to add a .env file option, please. What does that mean? Add a .env file option, please. Add a dot. You can use environment variables in Next. What? Any tips? I don't know what to do a bit. Yo, where'd you go to school? I didn't go to school. I am self-taught. Well, I shouldn't say that. I went to the University of San Francisco, but I was a business major. That means you have to physically add environment variables. How else would you do that? Spiritually? Metaphysically? Emotionally? Are you going to emotionally add those environment variables in? I don't know what you're looking for. School is for nerds. Yeah, it's the right route for some, it's not for others. But really embodying the full stack comedian. Hey, I mean, if the shirt fits, right? Let me see. How do I... Laugh. Laugh, damn it. Yeah. Yeah. Wouldn't it be better if I could just add my file and it can fetch it from there? What? So there's... That's what you do. Here, look. Apps, web, .env. This is a Next.js project sitting here. Oh, you guys never tell me to zoom in. You never tell me. This is the .env for my Next.js project right there. I don't know what you're looking for on that. No, in the Vercel host, man. Oh, managing environment variables in the Vercel. Look, you act like I know what you're talking about. You're being like crazy vague. Putting your environment variables into Vercel is super easy. Go ahead, click it. Show us. Do it. All right, so you have to type the variables in when hosting a project. I've already. Okay, so then. But I can't put it on GitHub. You don't want to. You don't want to put your environment variables on GitHub. Because then people can take them from you and use them and be naughty and bad. Bad. Okay, so there. All right. Let's start describing this lister thing. Yes. So I have to do it again. Yes. I don't know what you're asking. I don't know what you're trying to do. Vercel does environment variables exactly how everybody else does, and it's the correct way. If you're deploying on Vercel, I thought you were talking about there are difficulties with Next.js, and for instance, putting it into a Docker container, but surmountable difficulties. I do that right here. Or like if you're gonna build it away from Vercel, you kind of have to play a little bit of a game. Do you mean you want to be able to just upload an environment file to Vercel and have it load all the vars as opposed to adding them? Oh. I I mean, I can put that into our Slack, but I don't really think they're going to take it that serious. I'm not going to lie. You know what a problem with that is that not all environment not all environment files are the same. Some accept comments, some don't. Some people are going to try to put it as JSON. Some people are going to try to do a plain text file, like a .env, right? So there's a lot of, it's not as simple as, you know, just let me upload it. And the other thing is too, thinking of other services that exist, you definitely can't do that on Heroku, if I remember right. I said definitely, but I don't remember that button being there. I don't remember it being there on Netlify either. But here's what I will tell you. Check this one out. Maybe you're not familiar. I believe the Vercel CLI does this. Because you can handle environment variables with the Vercel CLI. What you can do is right here. Boom. Every service I've ever used, has you enter them. Yeah. Things to follow. Hidemix. Hidemixy. Heroku sucks. It doesn't. You can. I mean, it's maybe a little bit expensive, but if you're running it's a perfectly good server. But you can do this. You can do. I mean, you still have to type them in. Like you can't upload a .env file, but I mean, if you don't want to have to visit the dashboard, you can use the Vercel CLI, and you can do them from here. I don't know if that's any more attractive to you, but I don't think you're going to be hard. Oh, here, wait a minute. I don't remember when git branch to a project using a local files. This looks sort of ish. Vercel env pull file. I'm seeing things that are called file. I don't know. Check that out and see if that meets your use case. I'd be interested to know. Using a local file's content as the value. There you go. I think this is what you want. Using the Vercel env command to add an environment variable to a project using a local file's content as the value. That sounds like what you're talking about. Yeah. I think the other thing too is, I mean, it'll be protected, so I'm not gonna say that. Never mind. I was thinking if they put like a uploader button in the dashboard, you'd be sending your environment secrets over the wire. And so, that's kind of weird, but they could get encrypted and all that, you know? Yeah, I don't know. What's up, Zifly? I have a little bit of a rough time learning Next. Do you have any advice? Maybe websites should So numero uno, this is how I learn Next, and I think it holds up. This guy right here, if you haven't, tried this, yes, there is no dark mode. I have dark mode reader. But this guy, their little learning tutorials, I think these are really good. Just step through this. It should be very helpful if you're saying you know React, right? That's what it said. If you know your React and you know what you got going on there, then getting to know Next.js, this is like prime. It feels good. And on top of that, by the way, hit these buttons. We see these. Built a couple of mini projects in React. Nice. Then yeah, go through this and then tell them how you feel about it. Because I actually I like to see what people say about push these buttons. A lot of them, probably 98% of them come through as this. So that's why I keep recommending this page. Okay, this is whack. I bet it is. How to get total documents count along with pagination. Let's say we have used table, want to apply pagination on the use table. Now I want to get total documents count along with the pagination result. They have it as a transaction. That's corny. Then if I need to count how many items fit some filters, I should perform 2 similar queries. Why not have something like... Oh yeah, that is a little bit corny, huh? Is there a solution to this problem that doesn't involve making 2 queries? Yeah, it looks like you can't. That's pretty lame. We'll look into that one. No problem, my boy. If you're familiar with scripts, you can probably write one to read from your end file and add each of them using the versatile CLI commands. Look like do accept the file input though if you read docs. Yeah, I think that's where we finally landed. Hopefully that does it for you, Mars. Haven't heard from him yet, so he might be playing. Oh, I found it. He did. Yes. That's what Mars looks like right now. Okay, so it async here. So his lister thing needs to did he give me requirements on this? List trials. So it needs to list trials. I'm not going to write that because that's duh. Each trial should have an is favorited boolean. Okay, we're not going to do that. Each trial should have an is favorited boolean representing if the current user has favorited that trial. Turns favorited status or trial. We're dropping favors. Okay. I was gonna keep him in there, like the functionality, because it was easy for me, but it's fine. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this out of here. Boom, done and oba. Get this out of here. Get that out of there. Get this out of here. Yeah, I turn my swag on. Alright. Get and list. And index. And so for his lister. Back to applying school thing. Any tips? What's up, Space Camp? Yeah, let's bring it back to Earth here, Mars. Boom. All right, what do I want to test for? I want it needs to include prices, and it needs to include format full pricing is what I'm going to say. Like the actual pricing information, not just the database pricing information. Includes full pricing info, I guess. And then includes full coupon info. I'm going to actually do this too. Coupon info includes full pricing info. Okay, and then a little bit of a refactor is in order here because this logic right here is going to continue to be duplicated over and over. Why are my comma dangles not fixing? Settings JSON. Because I got rid of that. Isn't that supposed to do it then? If I do that and then I do that, now it fixes. Sus. Let's see. So I'm gonna want to encase this payment stuff. Thanks for follow, Pushpan. What's up? What's up? What's up with it? So I don't want to do this. I want to be able to take one price and take it from its database thing, and then fetch the Stripe thing and do that. So realistically, retrial map. I'm gonna end up wrapping this, but I get nothing out of that. Really what I want is this reducer. Yeah. This thing can get tucked away. And that, yeah, okay. Format pricings, yes. I'm going to be very liberal with comments here, because this is going to be decently confusing, I think. So export format prices, guys. This is my take a look at my first ever reduce, by the way. So formatted pricing, apparently I need to go grab from here. They said it couldn't be done. Import payments from Doggo payments. Okay, so we are going to take in some stuff here. Writing your first reduce makes you a senior. Interface, format, prices, params. Let's do, so this will be an array of database prices. Yeah. And that is of the type here, I'm doing this backwards. Do the right thing. Make up an implementation how you want it to work, and then meet that. I could actually TDD this if I really wanted to. The way that I wanted this to look is I want it to, I want const formatted prices, and I want to be able to pass to it. I want to be able to pass to it an array final prices. Except I want to tuck away the call for this as well. So that won't happen. So what I'll do is I want like convert database prices to payment prices, and this is going to take an array of, okay, so that's not what I want there. I want it to take the trial.entry prices. Trial.entry prices. I like it. I like it. And that what? Oh. Where's that? Hide the ID from clients. Button. I like it. So I guess what I'm trying to convince myself of is What's up, Space Camp? Everything is coupled to trial. Yes. I guess what I'm questioning for myself here is, do I want to so I do want to force an array. I do want it to be able to structure the array that comes back here. Yeah. I want to thanks, Firewall. I want to take an array. I want to take, and that's it really. After that happens, I want to, for this function to do this work as well as this work. I want that service to do that work and that work, so that I have one line that spits out this. And then additionally, I can do it with coupons, but there's less work to do there. Where I'm questioning myself is, do I turn this into another service and then compose it in and then bring it through? I think I do that, like a simple convert database price to Stripe price. Yes, that makes sense to me. So payments, convert database price to payment price. And that's literally just this, though. And that's pretty pointless. That's just a wrapper around that. I already have something to do this, so I don't need that. I think I'm like pre-optimizing, thinking too much about it. Another process, but I'm not sure if getting in because grades and all need a new chair. What's up, Mafia? Mafia! So wait for now. Whoops. Wrong button! Alright, so this is an array of database prices, so this becomes trial entry price. Okay, I like this. Trial entry price. This can get a better name. DB prices, and then we're going to put that over here. Format prices params, go over here, DB prices, and then this is DB prices. Okay, so that solves that. And then metadata here, what are you upset about? Metadata does not exist on type of trial entry price. Okay, so this is the part where I needed to go here to grab that. So that's gonna happen. This needs to be async. So that's gonna happen, and then here is where we do DB prices. And then payments, I gotta go grab that. I already have it right here, duh. And then what else? Is this async? It is async. Yeah, jackwagon? Oh. Shut up. Stripe account ID? Yeah, I definitely need that from you. That's a good old-fashioned Strangola. Bank account ID. And then So, okay, I got that wrapped up in the wrong spot. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going on a trip. Ta-da. And hit this reduce const formatted equals let's call it reduced, I don't care. And then coupons is out of here. Coupons is in a different spot. And then out of the end of this, we're going to we're going to return reduced. I don't know what it just did. There we go. Okay, prices. And instead of DB prices here, now we take prices. And you're upset because you're async. And you're upset because this is an implicit any because enterprise tag can be used to index type formatted pricing. Enterprise, I think it can. Heyo. And then this, boy, I don't remember why I did that. I think I was tired and I didn't feel like, oh, it works, okay. And then, no, okay, I didn't think so. Okay, cool. Swaggin' wagon. So then what did I end up calling this? Format pricing. That's not necessarily a great convert database prices to service prices to pricing info. I dig it. Nice tunes today. No, you. Database, blah, blah, blah. And then you hate it because trial entry price is missing the following properties from there. DB. Oh, I gotta redo this. Dun, 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 dun. DB prices, that should be happy with me now. And now it's going to be missing a bank account ID, and that's going to come from Stripe account ID. Let's rename this. Good, happy? Okay. And then now I can go here. And now I can go here. And now I can go there. What just happened? Now I can go here. And this is rename bank account ID. And this becomes formatted prices. What are you upset about? String null undefined? Oh. I don't know why this file keeps tripping, but it definitely keeps tripping. Grades first? For show. Can't do anything with pooter grade. What's up, Thales? Have I tried PNPM? I have not. I have not. What's going on here? 0 does not exist. Promise. Formatted pricing. Oh, this is an 08. Nice. Okay. And do I pass the test? See, so this is where Grandpa just loves it. This is where Grandpa gets tasty. Want to see you stretch, but I'm saving for a word, man. I've had him turned off for a minute just because I have to focus. I haven't really had time to mess around, Jimmy. Let's see. Convert databases pricing info. This is a problem in trials index 9. Did I? No. Yeah. Okay. All right. So yeah, now I don't need that favoriting stuff anymore. Why was I checking on it? Where is that? That is in returns trial test. Wait, what? Returns trial without prices. Boom. Still has the favorite stuff on it. It doesn't know about it. Doesn't know about it being different now, I guess. I think that mock is wrong is all it's. Let's see. That can get out of there. That can get out of there. And ipso facto. Ugh, tired today. Da-da-da-da! Thanks for follow, CP Pogu. Do you not do hat mode anymore? I've gotten better about not having to do it and just like working because I need to. You know what I mean? I was doing this for a while, like doing a straight up Pomodoro. Oh, sorry, the view's messed up. I was doing like a straight up Pomodoro, but I just haven't needed to for a little bit. I've been like genuinely focusing as I should be, which is good time. Good job, streamer man, said everyone except for Firewall because he's I want to use my channel points. Beep, 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 beep. What I need to do is set up like to match object is user favorite false. Where is that? Oh, right there. So returns trial without prices. What in the world is this doing? Oh. I'm basically just making sure that it works without prices. Yeah, okay. Alright, Green. I just want to make you do push-ups. Guess what, bro? I should have a channel point reward for me that makes you do push-ups. And guess what? I have infinite points because it's my freaking channel! Okay. Now what do I need to do here? I need to go. So I tucked that away. That's good. I need to do the same thing for coupons, by the way. Convert. Let's make this less wordy. DB is good enough. Convert DB prices to info. That covers what it needs to cover in that sentence. Yeah. Convert DB coupons to info. This will be largely the same process. It'll be much simpler though. So we're gonna go, you know what? I don't even, because I don't need this reduce thing. This is gonna be a much simpler one. I should actually jump here. Did I leave this coupons deal that I was doing here because I'm smart? Yes, I did. You heard it here first, folks. I'm smart. I didn't say it. They said it. I'm not going to need that because this is much simpler now. Instead of DB prices, I need DB coupons. I need trial. I don't even remember what it's called. Coupon, I guess. Okay, great. And VVVVVV. And then I need DB coupons. And then I go here, and then I go there, and then I go here, and I go DB coupons, and then we go through those, and then we return the coupons. Oh, yeah. And then now we have to rename this, convert DB coupons to info, and rename this. I put covert, dang it. Convert DB coupons params. Dang it. I don't think yeah. the same process. I'm gonna do this as well because I like this. Yeah. This is Christmas music? What are we doing? And then we need... I didn't bring everything that needed to be there. There's probably a quicker way to do this, but we're not concerned about that. Final coupons. And then go here and go DD coupons. Chillin' like a villain. This is over here, and now I can go bam. Const. Coupons with info equals await convert DB coupons. This gets DB coupons. Trial dot hello coop pa. This file just keeps being weird, man. Boom, and then bank account ID. Chillin'? Happy? Coupons with info, coupons with info. And then tests. Hello? Test. Fire. Red green refactor, baby. I could even do, doesn't matter. All right, mate. Cool. I can get that out of there too. Anything else Yislint's yelling at me about? Don't want context? Sure, you can have it, buddy. What a clean file. Am I right or am I right? We'll still love you if you sing for us at some point when not focusing. I'd have to use my Bosu ball, but I could. You removed the reducer? No. The reducer's still here. It's a different function. TD for the win. What is a coupon? People, like, they give coupons for their trials to certain people for whatever reason. I don't know. So, that. So we're allowing them to do that. Whoops. QWN. Tuck pricing stuff into services. Okay, and then now I can finally get to Fog's endpoint. I'm sure he's like, dude, stop being a blocker. Cursor needs to exist but can be any type. What? You're already doing this, is what you're saying? Okay. Then never mind. That throws me off of what I was about to be doing. Okay. Cool beans, fella. Okay, then where does that put me? How about tell me when you're done with it, Fog. I can do the test so that you can go back to being a front-endy boy. Where does that mean I need to be then? This is where I need to be right here. Our authentication solution. So this is a sticky one. Wait a minute, let me make sure of this. Create APIs. So if he's doing that, I'm good on that. That was me. Now it's both of us. And then 2 seconds, you're committed. Okay. I'm about to head out. Kashan, it was beautiful to see you, my brother. Do come back. We miss you. I just the other day said I miss some of my VIPs. So it's really actually funny that I think it was like earlier this week I actually said that. Okay, so he's committing. So I guess I can start writing the tests that sit next to it. Just because because he gave me the spec. So, should list trials from the database. We are getting rid of the is favorited boolean is what we decided. So let me get that off of our tickets. He wants these to, pretty sure I talked to you and Superwife. Pull. Pull! Lit. Check out the list page. What is going on here, sir? Oh! Pretty sure I talked to you and Superwife more than you and Superwife talk. Yeah, you're me and Superwife actually earlier today were like, we were like, they never shut up in the Discord anymore. And I was like, honestly, actually, it's mostly just Firewall trying to talk. It's mostly Firewall talking to everybody. Which is fine, by the way. He's like, yeah. Let's see. So, yeah, ain't wrong. Let's chill. Is Boolean. What are we doing here? Oh, he's got a little helper. Let's see what's up. Mixed breeds allowed. Registration open. Z Boolean nullish. Running surfaces. I think we. Let me see. Yeah. Okay, never mind. I was thinking of a different thing. Cool. Fire! I'm wondering. Casted to a Boolean? Why is that casted to a Boolean? Because it's a nullish. How do we, so this is gonna yell at me, right? Can I go here? Had to add data for the running surfaces in my DB. I'll fix that cedar then as well. I could not talk for 24 hours except if someone. It's fine. It's fine. Don't need to edit any of it. I'm just reading. I'm sure it'll work, dude. I know it'll work. Okay. Okay, so then I need to do stuff for the filters. So let me start writing stuff down so I don't forget. He's like, dude, don't touch it. You break enough of your own code. So they need to include those. And then let's do and then let's do weird types come from the front end. That's what I figured. It's whatever. I'm not gonna complain as long as it works. So let's do Let's do tests for... Is there a reason you maxed the limit at 100? Guess it makes sense, actually. Never mind. Dumb question. I was thinking of start. So we'll do... Yeah, I was talking about this. I was thinking of start, though, not limit. I'm dumb. Okay, so we're going to do... let's do a test for starting at non-zero. I don't know if I'm able to test that well. Let's do a test for limiting to or limits to desired limit. Starts at non-zero. Let's do filtering. Filters for mixed breeds. Filters for registration open. And filters for running surfaces. And this needs to be not referring to code. And then we've got a count. That's important, so let's get that in there. Returns account. Bit arbitrary, 100's fine, yeah. What's up, Ghosty? Returns count. Cool. Let's pick off some low-hanging fruit first. And then we'll go from there. So. We've got entry prices here. Do we need coupons on this? I don't know, I'm just gonna let him do it. If he didn't put it there, he didn't need it. So then I can get rid of this. That's actually nice. Well, hello there, Faloo. Thank you for a follow. That's so nice of you. Probably don't need a lot of the includes info. All right. I just don't know what's needed on the front end, so don't need days and location. Cool. Boom. And secretary. Why? It's like, why? Why would you do that? Please don't do that. Do. Okay. I'm a good listener. Why is it ending? Arr! TypeScript is being not friendly. Don't do that. Be a good boy. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? There you are. Okay. Returns count. So this should be pretty safe to do here. Won't be needing a context, I guess, just because it's a lister. And then talking to fog. No, I'm not talking to fog like a dog. I'm talking to you. No. Sessional. I think I'd like for this to create context, return ops. I think I'd like for this to default just for my own. Damn straight, I'm a good boy. What's up, Faloo? Saw the Cater Story video and love it. That's cool, man. I'm glad. Yeah, man. It's been a ride. so to speak. Okay, so that's fine. And then caller, and go here, go there. Instead, we want trials get, we want trials list, and instead of that payload, okay, now he wants a limit. I'm gonna do 30, and from there I don't actually care. So and then expect payload to match object of, I believe it comes through as underscore count. No, it looks like it'll come through as total. It'd be 30. Oh no, this is everything though. Oh, and I also need to mock Prisma. Duh. Yeah, here we go. Through the air, let me talk instead. Bingo, bango, wango, tango. We're getting there. Trial mock. I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna go generate a Zod mock array of these with a length of 10. And you're mad now because find unique is not correct. Find many is what this was. Count. And as an array of those is what this is supposed to be. Oh, damn it. What do you think of TRPC 10 so far? I am not using it thus far, but maybe in time. They haven't released it, have they? Or did they? Yeah, they're still on 9. But I've seen some of the changes in there. Desirable. If this was intentional. What are you talking about? What are we talking about? What are we talking about? What is this trying to be? This is trying to be an array of trials. Count. Oh, wait. Never mind. Literally just going to be a number. It's our goal. Literally just going to be a number. That's so dumb. Bah. I do want us to be able to confirm that, you know, this is important, and if this were to get deleted in the future for some, like, this is just a little bit of a documentation type thing, you know, code as document, tests as documentation type thing. Like, if somebody were like, we don't want that, then now that fails. Correct? Yeah, so like, whatever, it's already done. Wasn't really necessary, I guess. But now I can do this. I mean, it helped me do this. Let's also go here, actually. And then, okay, whatever. Yank, include the info here. What are we gonna do here? We're gonna do pricing, data trials. Okay, so we're gonna have this stuff. The current controller is where you keep the auth middleware logic. Yeah, so I know typically you won't see, we kind of like adapted clean architecture into what TRPC, how TRPC works. So a lot of what you'll see people do with TRPC is they won't do controllers. They'll start writing logic here. I just didn't like that. I liked being able to like be like, there's the routes, you know, like just have the routes and be fine, you know, like, okay, now I can see, okay, there's trials, there's trial router, like, and so we were breaking those into controllers, and they're literally just picking up where that query that left off, literally just merging nothing. And so now I have like a spot where I can put like the application logic instead of putting it on the router. I don't know, just separating stuff in a way that made sense to me. I don't think like all of the other Twitchers that you've been seeing write TRPC are doing that, but I don't know, it's been making sense to me. And then additionally, like I can put the middleware on here and like know that it's exactly on that one, and I don't know, it just feels good to me. It's felt right thus far anyway. Maybe there's some dumb thing I'm gonna be, okay, that's why nobody does that, but it's felt good thus far. Okay, so now I'm gonna need oh, hello. Oopsie. A trial mock. This is going to come as a find many is what we have here. Lit. Trial find many. And trial mock. So annoying. Come on, shoot. Is I what did I do? Find many favorited by users. Why is this still sitting here? Oh. Oh, that's not correct. This needs to be an array of those, and I'll give it a length of 10. Why not? And then this is the same type that I didn't have to do anymore. Array of trial mocks. Oh, what did I have? I had oh, you can do 0 or whatever, and then it knows to, there we go. There's something else you can do with this though. You can make it like number, I think, right? Yeah. TypeScript magic, what of it? Okay, so that's gonna bring me back 10 random looking trials, and then it's gonna make 4 prices. I guess I need this. What happened? Oh, right. Let's do, I don't think we need prizes on it, but this test won't hurt for other stuff. Other stuff like what? I've already written one of these. What's up, Wanabazizu? How's it going? I guess I'll do this and target the first element. Wait. So then you don't want the pricing on there? Okay. That made my life easier. All right. Cool. Cool then. Coolio, my folio. All right, then let's do more listy stuff. Testing a list. Ready? Go. Count instead of count here. I'm going to be looking at what did I want to test? Returns count and then starts non-zero. So I need to be able to have a list of these. I think I just got rid of that though. Find many, and I'm gonna do const trial mock being generate Zod mock and trial model, an array of them, and we'll give it a length of 30, and this find many will go trial mock as an array of required type of trial mock number. Boom, boom. Great. And so now what we'll do is limits, and we want to start at the third one. So now what I need to do is I need to expect payload. Oh, I have to sneeze. Sorry. That'd probably be bad for hammering Stripe anyway. These aren't actually making it to Stripe. These are mock. Stripe is mocked in these tests. Hey, said Winix. Thank you, Firewall. I appreciate that audio. Between TypeScript and unit testing, which do you recommend me to learn first? TypeScript. In the actual code. Oh, right, got it. Sorry. Yeah, TypeScript. Go. If you want more of an explanation, I can give it, but so I'll go data 0, and that should look like to equal trial mocks is probably what this should be called. Trials mock, more succinctly, trials mock. 3, no, 2, right? This is wrong. No, because we skipped that one and that one. What's another good thing to check? Probably good to make sure that it doesn't equal the first one, just purely for safety's purpose. Let's try it again. I'm looking for starts at non-zero to pass, but it did not. To deep equal. So let's see. Where did I go wrong? Console log payload. Let's log this first, so I have it to look at, and then let's look at first of payload, and that one should be payload data and 0, and my trials mock 0, I guess. Trials mock 0. So no, I want to look at the second, because these two are what I want to match. Yeah, let's see. What did I do wrong? Convenient. First of payload is an ID of A. Okay, so these are different. What did I do wrong though? Or is the implementation wrong? Am I right? And that it has a length of 10. That's a different test. You're right. I just put that there just because it needed to be there. So I guess I need this to be. I need to be able to look at this. Payload. Data. Show me your payload. Your payload. Show me your payload. Okay, so here, let me swap them just for readability purposes. First of the payload is Racione, and then the second mock is Underpants. I think the mock is gonna ignore the take and skip. It probably is. You are probably right. Yeah. I don't like that. At all. Mocking to find many. Exactly. Yeah, that was never going to work. What is TRPC? If you check trpc.io, you will find this. And this is about as simply as I could put it. End-to-end type safe APIs made easy. You get to write a server and a client, and TypeScript will match them for you. So you know that your server and your client, you'll never know about the underlying data, but you will know that at least your types are right. Yeah, like the actual data that's being moved around when it turns into JavaScript. How do I... Like, I'm stuck here. I actually can't test this right. Because what I would probably do is... whatever, you know what I mean? And that's not good. That's not testing anything. Okay, whatever, I was off by one. Grow up. I think. Whatever. But I would handle the mock, but I don't want that. I want to create an array of trials, and then for this mock to pick out what it needs from that set. But that's true too. What you're saying is true too. This is almost testing This is pretty much testing Prisma. This is an integration test that I'm writing, not a unit. Yeah, you're right. That's an integration test. Yeah. That's not right either. None of these are right. Yeah, those are all testing Prisma. That was dumb. This one is our only actual outside of Prisma logic. Why was I doing that? I'm gonna keep doing that. I mean, how long is it gonna take me to learn? Hi, Charlie! Anthony being responsible and writing tests. I know, I'm such a good boy. Okay. Yeah, I know. Yeah. This is somebody else's hand, not mine. I don't know who. But I like the pets. What's up, Obarji? So, yeah, I was writing Prisma test. That was dumb. Okay. This is our only real logic that isn't Prisma. So, okay, I guess. Tests for trial lister. Okay, what? No. We don't need any of that anymore. TypeScript, grow up, to be honest. Are they expecting data in total is a good one? Yeah. Yeah, okay, I can put data on there too. But I did the total one. Yeah. I can expect the outputs of this. Yeah, that makes sense. Sure, yeah, go ahead, do the thing. Oh, whoops. Yeah, I'll put that on there. That makes sense. Returns, count, and trials. Yo, whoa. How about, okay, so then in that case, I need find many, oops. And I'm gonna need const trials mock equals trial generate Zod mock trial model array length, gosh, 30, and find many, and trials mock. How many times am I gonna write this? And delete it. It was an array of required type of trials mock number, close it off, nailed it. And then I want another one for match object data of trials mock, slice 0 to 10, I think, limit to 10, yeah. No. Oh, I wrote it wrong. Data payload. Not to be an ass, but what is the current hold for adding more game data? More games. Oh, it's really hard. But now that we have Prisma, it'll be a lot better. The hold is that there's one of me building 2 startups and holding a full-time job. That's the real hold. Really want to shill to Tarkov. Yeah. Tarkov is probably the easiest one that we can get in there. Realistically, to match object data ID. Okay. This has 30 in it. Why does it have 30 in it? That's going to be because, oh, I sliced. I don't need to do that. Doesn't matter. I'm not testing the limit. Okay, there we go. Let's just take this down to 10 just for the sake of not tripping. Returns count trials, cool. All right, fix, add data to payload. Check, I guess, whatever. That was bad name. That was bad commit message. Okay, so let me check. Boom. Boom. Don't need any logging. Woohoo! View that for us. And end ends. Okay. Do we want to mess with Playwright? Do I stick to Cypress? Oh boy. I'm seeing a lot of Playwright and a lot of love for it. Let me tell you. Do I set up end to ends right now? This would be quite the adventure. What do Fog? What am I still blocking you on now that we have this? That's a better question. But I also want to, we also want to clear a ticket. Are you supposed to be able to search on the homepage too? It's crazy. We're crazy like that. And I really want to set this up, but it's gonna be a total like. What am I blocking him on? The list and get are the big stuff. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so then I'm gonna let you mess around with that. I'm gonna see about doing this right now. What do I have on deck actually? Oh, I need to fix the logger like right now. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go grab my sentry key real quick. Exports index TS. I don't know why that's there. Get that out of there. They're effectively done. Okay. Well, I'm having a hard time finding what I'm blocking on, and we're gonna want these end-to-ends, so might as well. The auth, I'm gonna have to do the auth off stream just because I'd have to throw a bunch of keys around and I don't want to deal with hiding my screen and whatever. Are trials like for premium kidder or for a Twitch streamer to do like a hey you? No, this isn't kidder right now. This is I'm doing doggo. Just make it. No, I'm not pretty enough for that. Create the login page. We have the login page, do we not? I guess I'll. Yay, doggo. Nobody says that but you, man. What happened? Oh. Don't make me take a poll. Oh boy. I need to go CD packages Prisma. Yeah. Main stuff. Yeah, main stuff first. Which also means having end ends going. If in my opinion, I didn't want Prisma. I wanted. Yeah, I did. DB reset. Yes. Tonight we seed. Tonight we dine in heck. What happened? Create bank account. You are correct. Where's that though? There it is. Payments. There we go. Try it again. Yarn DB reset. I think some of the last UI stuff is the FAQ, about, and contact, as well as auth cleanup. Okay. Man, it's just a lot of setting stuff up. And I hate setting stuff up. I'm so sick of it at this point. Like the contact is a good way for us to get our toes wet in either Postmark or SES, depending on, or SES, SNS, whichever one, whatever. Depending on what happens when we get there. And then, yeah, getting the auth right. Let's get the auth right. That's what I should be doing. That's what I should be doing. Create trial coupon. There we go. Anything else? Probably. Yep. I knew it before I said it. Yeah, I gotta get the auth right. So what we have set up while this is going for you folks, what we have set up is NextAuth. And what NextAuth does is it takes an OAuth 2 providers and leverages those for you to be able to authenticate your users. But the problem with that is that across providers, it's very difficult to identify the same person, right? You want to be able to, for your app, say like, you know, me, I sign in with Facebook, and then after that, I sign in with, so I sign out and then I sign in with Google. Hopefully the app is still going to know me, right? The difficulty becomes, thanks for follow, Arrow. The difficulty becomes you don't get any identifying information from that auth provider. So you end up in this really weird spot where you have to noodle Google's auth and Facebook's auth and Twitter's auth and whoever you have on your app. You have to get them all to play nice. And so let me revisit where I was at with our authentication. And then I hope I didn't knock it out last night when I was messing around. So, oh, what happened? I don't need that. Oh, I have it installed over here. So yeah, either you have to do something to be able to identify people, and what NextAuth, the way that it's put together, we can do this. I don't want to, but we can. There's adapters, and so what you do is you set up in your Prisma schema for accounts, and what this account is so it'll have the provider on it. It'll have like Google's on there or Facebook's on there or whatever, and what it will do is it will tie that to the user model, which is right here, and then you'll use this user model instead of using the direct OAuth information. Problem there being that now you're no longer using JOTs. Now your database has to handle sessions. Technically not as scalable, but probably shouldn't matter, right? Things to follow. Ivo. So yeah, it gets a little bit annoying, if you will. A little bit annoying. Little bit annoying. Yeah, I would love to be able to stick to the JOTs and be able to identify the homies through a simpler, like just through their email. But for instance, with Twitter, here I'll end up showing you guys probably, hopefully here. Did that install? That's what I was waiting on while I was giving my TED talk. I can close this, right? Right. Okay, we go again. So what I was hoping to do was identify people by their email address. I know, beautiful page, but I was hoping to be able to go like this. What happened? Do I not have my secrets in? Un momento. Oh, I might not have my secrets over here. Yeah, I don't. They're on my other computer. 1 second. In a moment. Okay, passo. Oh, wrong button. Dink. Okay, we go again. Show me your secrets, streamer. Matrix man, I know. I know Kung Fu. That's not what I wanted. Go back. Not that far. Okay. Ready? Google. And then I sign in. And now it's going to know me. Right? But here's the interesting part. No IDs or anything. Only thing it knows is my email. That's the only thing about this account that can't change. Right? But here's the problem. Sign out. Come back in as Twitter, for instance. Twitter. I don't know if this is working or not yet. I'll get to why this doesn't work. Sign in with Facebook. What? Oh, I'm not logged into Facebook apparently. Stop! This is a browser feature. Something went wrong. I thought I had it right already. Shoot. Well, shoot. Oh, maybe I was... Oh, maybe it did work and it didn't go back to the callback URL because it got borked in the middle. Okay, there we go. So it looks like Facebook gives us back an email. Facebook's gross, absolutely. Give me a URL, sign up right now. We don't need you to. It's okay. Unless you're gonna give us money for, you're gonna run a trial on, all of a sudden you're the dog master. Facebook is having a bunch of query errors lately. Interesting. What are you guys talking about? If you guys are new, by the way, feel free to join the Disky-Doo. There's plenty of smart people, cool people in there talking about this, that, and the other. And you get notifications for when this stream goes live. It's awesome. It's so amazing. What's up, DevMan? What's up, LP? Yeah. It's really more like Firewall needs more friends to join Discord. Firewall needs more people to talk to. Firewall's Discord. I'm probably gonna rename it to Firewall's Discord. Did I ever tell you what's going on with my work? Maybe, but I probably have forgot because I have a lot going on. What am I working on today? I have good news for you. Exclamation point today, but I actually need to update it because I'm moving on. Today, configure next auth for what we want. So, configure next auth. I'm sorry. Now it's correct. So, like I said, these work. And so if I go into the database, I'm going to have YarnDB view, I think is what I called it for this one. Can I actually sign up for a No, you cannot. So if I go in here, I do have one user for Anthony, and that's good. That's what we want. The problem is that Twitter doesn't work, and there's a very specific reason for that. They don't give OAuth providers an email address. User doesn't have an email. This was me. /index I think will take me here. And so I will. Nope, not what I wanted. Precautions. Next, just no, that's not what I want. So yeah, what we're doing is the first time we see somebody with that email address, we are going in and creating them empty. And so the next time, so we're going off of email addresses, but Twitter isn't going to give us one. So I don't know what to do with that. Maybe we just don't use Twitter. I would like for people. Eventually, the idea was, if we have this set up correctly, we would people would be able to quickly tweet their um, their doggy winning or whatever. But I guess for right now, just to get things moving, we can leave Twitter out because they're not giving us an email. Twitter doesn't give us an email, therefore we won't use them. We want this eventually so that people can tweet their dogs' recent scores or whatever. I don't know. So I guess for now, no Twitter. And that solves that problem. What am I missing here? Let's see. What did Deadman do? I got a senior.NET Angular job, and then they onboarded a CTO from a sister company who forced us to do Java and AWS instead of Azure, and basically scrap all of our work in the span of 2 months. This same CTO just put in his resignation on Friday. So you're saying things are going well? Just kidding, that sounds like a nightmare. I feel very poorly for you. Hate to see it, brother. What's up, Hive? Only using auth providers to give us an email would be great. Yeah, exactly. I think that's what I'm gonna do, Fug. Just keep it easy. I mean, you'd want people to use Twitter so they can tweet about it. Well, he caught up with me, didn't he? Then might as well try to fix it now. No. AFK a little bit. Oh, you working on the awesome doggy app? I totally am. Is this not public? No. This one I have private, but I don't know why, to be honest. Yeah, so things are going great. How is everyone doing today? I am doing swimmingly. How about you? So yeah, no Twitter, I guess. What all have I done here? Oh, fix the seed. That. Remove Twitter for now. Yeah, Filmorama, is there a way to see a preview on how it's supposed to look? Yeah, we do. Here, let's go for a walk, shall we? Fun interactive streamer being fun and interactive. Hopefully this doesn't open up. Okay, good. To go. So there's a lot to this. Tell a little bit of a story, I guess. There's so much more to this than meets the eye. It's so annoying. There's judges, there's scoring, there's scorers, there's refunds, payments, different dogs, dog heights, jump heights, whether the dog is measured. Like there's walkthrough groups, stuff they do before the trial, stuff they do right before the trial, stuff they do during the trial, stuff they do after the trial. Like it's just a joke. And so, your sister designed it, if I'm not saying. Yes. She did like a trillion times better this time. Not that Kidder looks bad or anything, but like this is like just straight pro. So like there's a million things to this. So we're like, we're honing in on being able to take payments for these guys. Because the way that it works right now is people send in paper checks. And like they'll send, like there'll be like 200 spots in the trial, and like the person that puts on the trial will get 300, and so they'll have to send back 100 checks, right? And 100 refusals and 200 acceptances, whatever. So what we're hoping to do here is just straight up be able to collect the money for them. Like, that's it. Just do that. Simple as that. All the manual, yeah, there's a ton to it. So, what we're starting off, and this gets us to money quickly, like realistically, like, yeah, this is awesome, like to get to money quickly. So, scrape a little bit of money off of the top of the payment that's being taken, right? Whatever. But Superwife texted me an hour ago. Hopefully it wasn't important. Nope, just her sweating in the gym. So yeah, hopefully we can just do the payment collection for them, and that's big value to them for a lot of reasons. And we can start making money that way, and then we can end up with, over time, end up with the suite of features for handling all the scoring, handling all of the entries, and putting them in an order and doing all of that stuff, all the event handling. So yeah, hopefully these contests to know how much budget they're working with. Yeah, exactly. All kinds of stuff. What's up, Excellent? Events will be even cooler because they won't have to focus too much on strength. Exactly. LP gets it. So yeah, here's kind of some of the stuff that it looks like. Fog has these pages. I guess I could have, I'm so dumb. I guess I could have just done this because Fog has them. It looks something like this. Yay. What is this? That's so not a dog. I'm being trolled. Looks like he has some dummy data in there. More info. Does this button work? I haven't clicked it yet. It totally does. It totally doesn't. I don't know what happened. Oh. Donald data is coming through yet. Things to follow. Krakenar. But yeah, so generally speaking, there's your branding. Yay. All right. So Twitter, you're iceboxed. Your backlog. Seed data doesn't generate those. Okay. Can you say what you're using the technologies in your title for in this project? Can you say what you are using the technologies in your title for in this project, if you can? Oh, yeah. What did I put? I put TRPC. I know that much. I put VTest and I put Prisma. So Prisma is an ORM for Node projects. We have a Postgres database, and it's our ORM. And then VTest is built on top of Vite, but we're not using Vite because Next.js and whatever else. So with VTest, I can get this going, packages, TRPC, so I can write tests. Where is this going to be? Right here. I can write tests, and it gives me a nice, cute little GUI here, and I can get some passes, and I can, if I, console code for that test, module graph. But yeah, and then I can run the, start a new, fresh test run, the whole thing. So, Isn't it only, it's not even noon, right? Oh, okay. What? Okay. Yeah, sure. Where are they leaving? Oh, okay. I'm going on the water today. I didn't know they were leaving this early. Okay. If you need me, I'll be on a Wave Runner. Do I need to reseed? Yeah, and you'll probably need to hit the YarnDB reset that's in the Prisma package. But yeah, VTest is wow, VTest is cool. Yeah, it's really cool. It's super convenient, super fast too compared to Jest. And if you have a Jest project, you can probably drop in VTest super quickly, without too much hassle. Damn it, I really wanted to fix this. Sad. Okay, well, I'm gonna fix this when I get back. from Zawulta. This will be tonight's project. Maybe I'll stream. Do a little late night stream? Thoughts? Ooh, fire? I'll probably be too tired. Be out on the water and everything. Is Fog working out with me? Yes. It was too much for me to do by myself. What else did I miss? Do I like Prisma? Yeah, Prisma's awesome. How's Kidder so far? It's good. It's finally stable after all that migrating. I think there's only like one major problem left, and it was already a problem. So that's awesome. Yeah, he's making it happen. If it wasn't for him, this would still be like so overwhelming for me that I would be scared to start doing it again. Or like I was doing it, but I wasn't doing it with like a great pace. Do I like Prisma? Yeah, I answered that one, didn't I? Yeah, Prisma's dope. All right, yeah, I'm gonna take off. We live right next to a river, for those of you who don't know. But we're gonna spend the day on the river. So their parents have a boat and everything, and wave runners and all that. So your boy's gonna be cruising like this. Yeah. This will be the first day that I don't work like 12 hours, because I'm gonna be like this. Yeah. Yes. I appreciate everybody that's hung out today. If you're not in the Disky-Doo, that means Discord. You need to be. We'll be back tomorrow. I'll have this logger done. And then I don't know what I'll get to do tomorrow, because we've got the auth scaffolded pretty good. This logger will be done. Fog is going to get to do some of them pages, so that's going to be dope. Maybe I'll be messing with Postmark or SES and trying to send emails and trying to figure that bit out. We'll see. We'll see where fate takes us, baby. I'm not here. Yeah, man. See y'all tomorrow. Love you all.